Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to take you all to designer outlet Berlin. It's a perfect place if you want to shop, enjoy good food, and if you visit during December, you even get to experience the Christmas themed park and also meet Santa. So without further ado, let's get started. If you're traveling from Berlin city, it will take you around 50 to 60 minutes depending on your route.
So we have onboarded the train from Größenbrunn and we will get off at Elstal.
So we took the RE4 train to Elstal, Bahnhof.
This is going to be a 25 minutes train ride, and after that we have to take another bus to reach the designer outlet.
You can also drive. It takes around 40 minutes and parking is also available. The designer outlet Berlin is open from Monday to Saturday, and the timing is 10 am to 8 pm, and it remains closed on Sundays. So make sure to plan your day accordingly.
So we have reached Elstal, and from here we need to take a bus to the designer outlet, and we need to wait here for 17 minutes because the next bus will arrive after 17 minutes. So here you can check out the timing of the buses. And here is the bus stop. Everyone is waiting there, and this was the station. Good. We took the bus, and halfway the bus driver asked all of us to leave the bus, so we are just following the crowd.
We have finally reached the designer outlet Berlin, and it honestly feels like a small shopping village. The lane, the buildings, and overall setup makes it look so cozy and beautiful. This place is literally a heaven for people who love shopping. And trust me, to explore everything properly, you will need a few hours. So it's better to keep the entire day just for this. Inside the designer outlet Berlin, you will find shops for all kind of budgets, from high-end brands to mid-range ones. Some of the popular stores here are Adidas, Nike, Calvin Klein, North Face, Levi's, Fossils, Guess, and so many more. One thing I've heard from many of my friends is that the outlet offers huge discounts. I went to check a few winter jackets, but honestly the prices were quite similar to what I already saw in Berlin stores or even online. It could be that I did not come on the right sale day, or maybe I just wasn't lucky this time. So if you have any preferred brand in your mind from where you want to buy something, I would recommend to also check the prices online. So that's what I did. So there was one jacket which I really liked. Unfortunately, it did not have the right size for me, so I couldn't buy it. We did see some really good deals in the shoe stores. If you get tired, there are plenty of food options where you can sit, relax, and enjoy your meal.
Starbucks se khabe.
Also, there is a kids play area, so if you have kids along with you, if they are really tired or bored with the shopping stuff, they can go there, play, and have a great time. The most exciting part of today was the Christmas theme setup. The decoration, the lights, the music, everything felt magical, and the best part, we even saw Santa, who was taking picture with the kids. If you visit in December, this adds such a beautiful festive vibe to the whole outlet. So yeah, after exploring the entire outlet, we finally headed out. The outlet stays open until 8 pm, so you have enough time to shop, relax, and enjoy. Overall, we had a really great time. It's a perfect way to spend a day, whether you want to shop, walk around, or just enjoy the atmosphere. Our entire experience was amazing. The only thing which I didn't like was the jacket which I wanted to buy did not have the size I wanted, which I feel like if you're visiting a shopping outlet, they should have enough supply of clothes. But apart from that, the entire experience was amazing. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did so, then don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. See you all soon.